Laguna Seca, in anyone's book, is a crown jewel.
Indy is the greatest racetrack on this earth.
Road Atlanta is a spectacular venue for racing, number one, spectacular for viewing.
SpeedTour, we travel all over the United States putting races on, and it's really an amazing mix of different types of cars and people racing.
There's so many different levels of cars, you know, you get lost in them.
You truly have about 70 years of history of automotive racing in this paddock.
Once you get into the historic Trans Am group, you understand the history of these cars. The Challenger is the icon of Mopars.
These cars, it's just they like to be driven. I mean, you park them around, and it's a driver's car.
67 Camaro handling is terrible. It's a 3,300-pound car with almost 600 horsepower.
Nothing like it in my book. Anything from 140 horsepower up to 840 horsepower.
The Mini's claim to fame is its maneuverability. It carries so much speed around the corners.
The engine is a radical 427. It makes more than 800 horsepower.
We're adamant that we don't want trading paint, as they say. I really expect them to be perfect.
Group 6 has been known historically as very competitive.
Everybody in that race is going to go there to win.
Did I have a good time? Whoa, I guess.
We race, and you know, these old girls that we're dating, they're getting a workout.